Welcome back once again to your science class. Today we will study about clinical thermometer. Most of us use a thermometer in our home. And why do we use the thermometer? You all know, children, that we use the thermometer to measure the body temperature. And that is when we have a fever or you are suffering from a fever. So such kind of a thermometer which is used to measure the temperature of human body is called a clinical thermometer. And the doctors use this thermometer to measure the temperature of the patients. Not only does the doctor use it, but we also use it at home. You all must have seen a clinical thermometer. How does it look like? It looks like this. A clinical thermometer. See, I have got a clinical thermometer in my hand. And what does it look like? A clinical thermometer looks like this. Okay. What does it have? It has a bulb. Okay. The portion that we put in our mouth. This is called as the bulb. And then if you notice, there is a kink. Okay. Let me zoom it. I hope you'll be able to see. See, what is a kink? A kink is a very small a turn, or you can see it is going up a little bit. It has moved up. Okay, if you see in your book, it's like this. So this is a kink. Okay, I'll tell you why the kink is present here later on. Okay, then you can see that there is a glass tube. Okay, this is a glass tube which is called as the stem. So the first portion, that is, this is the bulb. This is the bulb. Then there is a kink and then a glass tube. Okay, and there in the you will be able to see that what does the temperature range shows from. The temperature range shows both the Celsius scale also as well as the Fahrenheit scale also. You can see here degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. In degree Celsius, the temperature range is, see where it is, it's not clear. Yes, now you will be able to see. In degree Celsius, it is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, and in Fahrenheit scale, the range is from 94 degrees Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. And why is it so that it is only till here? Why the temperature is from 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius, or you can say 94 degree to 108 degree Fahrenheit. The reason is that the human body temperature will never go beyond this temperature. It will neither go beyond 42 degrees Celsius nor it will go less than 35 degrees Celsius. So that is why the thermometer, the range of a thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. And just now I told you there is a kink. What is the kink? The kink or the constriction is in the glass tube is just above the bulb containing mercury. This is the bulb. The bulb contains the mercury. Clear, children? So this is how a clinical thermometer looks like. And you all know, see here it is given in your book that there are two scales about which I have already told you, the Fahrenheit scale and the Celsius scale. And what is the normal human body temperature? The normal human body temperature is taken as 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, it is 37 degrees Celsius or 98 degree Fahrenheit. And this is taken as the standard reference. Then you all know what is the boiling point of water. Boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius, or in Fahrenheit it is 212 degree Fahrenheit. In the same way, melting temperature of ice is 0 degree Celsius, or in Fahrenheit scale it is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Then children, let's move on. This table, it is not at all necessary. So there is no need to do this. Even the calculations also, there is no need for these calculations. So we will move on to recording a reading with the clinical thermometer. I hope children that you all must be knowing how to record a temperature using a clinical thermometer. See, first you all know that there are marks between 35 degree. You all know, see, you can see here there are marks. Okay, see, if you see it closely, how many marks are there? Between 35 degrees Celsius to 36 degrees Celsius, there are 10 scales. Just like a scale, there are 9 marks, okay, or you can say total 10. Total 10 marks are there. That is, each mark represents 1 by 10, or you can say 0.1 degree Celsius. Okay. Now, whenever you have to use a clinical thermometer, how to use this clinical thermometer? First of all, you should always wash the thermometer with cold water or a antiseptic solution. And then after doing that, you have to give a jerk. Jerk, you all must have seen like this, okay? Jerk so that the mercury column falls down. What does the thermometer contain? The thermometer contains the mercury, okay? That is inside the bulb. If you look very carefully, you will be able to see. See here, the black one. You can see the black inside. So this is the mercury level, okay? So see the mercury level. It is, since just now when I was showing you, I held this bulb with this. Usually we should never, because as soon as you hold the bulb, it will start taking your body temperature. So that is why you can see the black one, the mercury has moved to my body, normal body temperature. Okay, so for that, what should you do? You should give a jerk. So when you give a jerk, the mercury will go back. Okay, and then what do you have to do? See, I gave the jerk. Now it has come back to 35 degrees Celsius. At first, you must have noticed that it had gone to my body temperature, 37 degrees Celsius. Now it has gone. Where is it? See, it has come back to 35, the mercury level. Okay, and then you have to place this bulb inside under your tongue, hold it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you have to take it out from your mouth, and then you should always hold it horizontally like this. Okay, if you look like this or like this, you won't be able to see the temperature. So you have to hold it horizontally like this only, so that you can see the body temperature. And then in the beginning I had told you about the kink. What is the need of this kink? The kink is present just now. Why? I told you now why this kink is made. The kink is made so that whenever you are giving a jerk, the mercury level will go back, and this kink or the constriction, it will not allow the mercury to come this side. The mercury will come only through the kink whenever you hold it either with your hands or if you put it inside your tongue. So what happens is, when you are holding it with your hands, the mercury starts expanding and the mercury starts moving. That is how it gives the body temperature. So whenever you are holding, you should never hold with the bulb, okay? Because when you hold with the bulb, it will start taking your body temperature. Always hold it with the other side. So this is how you do a reading with the clinical thermometer. I hope children that this much is clear to you. The rest we will continue in the next video. Thank you and be safe.